Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again, and today we are going to look at how we can create an actual versus target kind of combo chart. This is also a part of combo chart and we are just modifying for our purpose, and this is the last chapter of this data visualization course, that is the module 3. Other than this, I will be keep creating different kind of charts as and when it is required, but this is the main part of this Excel learning course. Whatever chart you want to prepare in your Excel, you can create it, but these are the basics foundation of data visualization. If you are mastering in this foundation course the concept of putting chart, then you can create any kind of chart in future, whatever challenges you face in your life. So in the first example, we are going to show you that what is the actual achievement versus the target given equally for everyone. So sometimes there are different organization and one simple organization also, and the target is given same for all kind of people. 5,000 is the target for everyone, but in some organization target is given differently for different person according to their ability, according to their geographical area which they cover. So in the first example, I will be showing you how we can create that kind of chart where the target is same for everyone. In the next example, I will be showing you which has actual versus the target different for different person. So let's see here, we have some salesmen whose names are given here and their actual sales, and the target given is same for everyone. So in such scenario, we can create this kind of chart. So this is a combo chart. Now let's see how we can create that one. Select this data, go to insert, and then go to stack bar chart or a stack column chart. Now let me overwrite it, put it here. Now this is a simple column chart. We need to change this to a combo chart. So change the chart type to combo chart and show it like this. The first column, that is sales amount, actual sales, is showing as a clustered column, and the target is showing as a line chart. You may think that this is almost done. This is a very simple step. Why we need to learn a separate chapter for this? Now here is the thing. You notice that the yellow line or orange line of the target is starting from the middle of this chart and also ends in the middle of the last column, right? But here in this case, it is extended beyond that column chart. This is also extended beyond the column chart. So how can you do that? Can you just simply click this one and drag it like this? No, you can't do that. It won't go. So it won't go. So there is a other way to do it. So that is the trick, and that's why I'm creating this as a separate chapter, right? So now let's remove this no line. Let this be, yeah, like this. Now let's remove this line from this chart. No line, only the marker will left. And if I change this marker, the marker option, this one with this kind of line, and then increase the size, do you think it will work? Let's see. 100 is not allowed, even 50. So it is increasing, but height of the bar is also increased. Not just the length, height of the bar is also increasing. But here in this one, there is no increase in the height, only the length is increased. So what is the solution to do that? The solution is we have to change this one with something else. So let's keep it at the default option, that is circle, and that is 5. Okay, now let me insert something else from here, shapes, and then I will take 1, rectangle and draw it here, something like this, and change this color to that orange color, and then border will be no border. Here shape format can go shape no outline, and then fill up option is already done. Now you just copy it, press Ctrl C, and then select these dots and then press Ctrl V. Now it will change. Now it is not filling up, it is not matching though, so we have to create this one a little bit longer, like this. Let me create like this, okay, and then copy it, then select this one, select this line chart and paste it. Now it has overlapped each other and then it has extended beyond the chart. So let's see, compare it with the one which I have created first, and then it is completely matching. The size accordingly you can adjust. If the size is a little bit thinner like this, then it will also become thinner. You can simply copy this a new one and then reduce a little bit, copy it, and then here just select it, paste it, and it will do the work. So this is how we can create a combo chart for actual sales and target having the same target. In the second example, we are going to look at this actual sales versus with different targets. So this is the actual versus target, but here in this table you see the same person, salesperson, their sales amount is also same, but the target given is different. This target is randomly given based on their performance, last year performance, or the area which they cover, or the potential clients they are having. So they are given separate targets. So we are checking if that person, salesman, has actually achieved the target individually. So to create this kind of target chart, let's just select it, go to insert, and then go to chart. First we will check with the stack column chart and then see if it can be created. Then only if it is not possible, we will move to the next option, because that is the default option for any chart, that stack cluster chart or stack column chart or whatever. So there are a default option. So we are trying if it can work or not, and why it is not working, that also I will explain you here. See, this is the one we are creating. Here one chart is overlapping the others. So first thing we should try here is that we should try to increase the size of this chart in such a way that it is extended up to this place. Then automatically this chart will be above that and this chart will be behind. Similarly for this chart also, it will extend beyond up to this part, and then it will make bigger and this will remain as it is. So if that is possible or not, let's see. Here in the series option, let's decrease or increase the gap width. Once I am doing it, it is also affecting to this column or this chart. See, let me again do it. Let me increase the gap width. Now it has reduced the size of the old columns, right? So this is not happening. That's why we have to think of other chart, that is combo chart. So change the chart type and select combo, this one. So instead of this clustered column, I will be we are going to put the cluster column here, but we are going to put this one as a secondary axis. First one as a secondary axis, then like this it will happen. Now both charts are behind each other, but based on the secondary axis. One axis is here, another axis is here. So if we want to increase the size of one chart, then we can do it, because one chart is based on one axis and another chart is based on the another axis. So changing of anything in the chart having corresponding to one axis is not going to impact the other axis, right? So let's click this yellow chart, which is the target chart, and now let's reduce the gap width. Now it has increased as we like, and then go to fill option. Then we can change this color to some subtle color, like this, and then there should be no border, as I don't like the border. Now it is okay. And again, let's increase or decrease the size of this. Let me reduce a little bit more. Yeah, this will do. And then change the color, let it be same and no border. Now let's keep it side by side and if it is working or not. This one is a little bit smaller, so let's change here the 84% to some 80, 70. I think this is okay. Yeah, now we do not need this axis because this is also 10 to 10,000. This is also 0 to 10,000, so either of the axis we can keep it and we can refer to. This was only required only to create the combo chart. For reference, we do not need this chart. We can refer to the axes still. So let's delete it and then change the chart title to Actaul versus Target or same target or different target, right? So let's keep it Actaul versus Target and click outside, and then it will become. Now let me keep side by side or up down, and then we are done. Hope you like and enjoyed the video, and if you think so, please hit the like button and share your feedback in the comment below, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel. And this is the end of the data visualization module 3. We will be starting module 4 from the next video, and it will cover the pivot table. That's it for this lecture. So see you there in the module 4. Take care. Bye bye.